kahapon nga po ay spend a one sweet day kasama ang Jadine sa kanilang MTV shoot ng MTV ng On the Wings of Love na kanilang soap opera na malapit na mapanood dito sa ABS-CBN. By May, mapapanood na yan. Magsisimula na sila taping. April 25, remind nyo ako, i-cover natin yung first taping day ng Jadine ng On the Wings of Love on April 25. Ang kumanta po ng On the Wings of Love theme song na yan ay si Miss Kyla, na pagkataas-taas, ewan ko kung may makakakanta pa nitong version na to ni Kyla, na inamin naman niya na talagang apat na beses daw nag-escalate or tumaas yung sa last part. At dinirect ng aking kaibigan na the only transgender director in Philippine showbiz na si Direk Jojo Sakin. In fairness, eto na po, nako, walang kukurap Jadine. Tingnan-tingnan ng mga the moves at ang mata at ang kamay nitong Jadine, talaga namang sweetness overload. Pasok. Hi mga kakorek ka dyan, eto na, kasama ko na ang Jadine. As per request ng mga Jadine fans. Hello guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to Korek ka dyan.
Thank you.
Okay, ang gusto ko ngayon malaman, how is it finally preparing and working for your first teleserye here in ABS?
We're nervous but excited.
Super excited.
Ano mga preparations ginawa niyo with Direct Antoinette? Nag-workshop ba kayo?
Mag-workshop pa lang po kami next week.
And I heard, based on the teaser that was shown sa Nathaniel celebrity screening, mag-shoot kayo sa USA. Wow.
Yes, we're shooting in San
San
Francisco.
Francisco.
Oh.
First time in the States.
Grabe, wait, nag-shoot na kayo ng, ito MTV, pero nag-shoot na rin kayo ng teaser shoot niya, di ba?
Yes.
So how was it working with Direct Antoinette, the award-winning director?
She likes
Very light lang.
improvisation.
Yes.
Improv. She loves improv. So she likes it on the spot. She likes it natural. Real.
Okay, before we talk about tong On the Wings of Love, your summer vacation muna?
I went to Balinaw and Alaminos.
Kasama mo friends, family, ganyan.
Actually, kasama ko po yung glam team ko. Sila yung kasama ko.
O ikaw naman, Jane, saan ka nagbakasyon?
Tokyo.
Nakita mo pa nga sila, mga boss natin sila sa Leo.
I was in Tokyo. Yeah, I saw that.
With friends?
Yes, I traveled alone.
Wow, galing mo naman.
Traveled alone and it was hard. Didn't speak English. So
Yeah.
So are you like that? Talagang you like traveling
it was my
alone?
first time to travel alone. So it was an inexperience.
Oh, pero ito pag nag-shoot kayo sa it's all work. Sana may time kayo ng vacation for the two of you in when you get to shoot
Kahit
in San
one day
Francisco.
lang, just to
Correct.
go around.
Usually, paano bang bonding ng Jadine, especially when you're in the set? Like sa movie niya na malapit na ipalabas, ano yung, or pag off camera, ano ba yung nagiging bonding niyo? Do you go out, watch a movie, dinner, ano?
Actually po,